These are generally not made for just anyone to afford, but Shark just put their $700 Matrix Plus 2-in-1 robot vacuum mop combo at $350 off. And that means almost anyone can afford the luxury of 30 days of hands-free vacuuming that self-empties into a bagless canister, a sonic mop head that scrubs your floors 100 times per minute, and a whole home vac that works on hard floors and carpets and rugs that will actually detect if it's on a carpet or rug to lift up the mop heads to make sure it only vacuums those and nothing ever gets wet, that uses 360-degree LiDAR to fully map out your house, with an app that you can use to schedule cleans, tell it where to clean, tell it where not to clean, which uses Shark's Matrix Grid to make sure it never misses a spot, but also make sure it never gets caught up on obstacles. So look, if you are interested in getting a robot vacuum mop combo, now's your chance to get a very high-end one for a reasonable price, and if you want to check this out, I'll leave an orange link down below for you. These are generally not made for just anyone to afford.